Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the phone case. Let's go! Option 1. We need a plastic package, scissors, an adhesive tape and your phone. Take a package. Put a phone inside. Step back from the edges a little space and cut it out. Fold the excess part back, use a tape to attach the edges to the phone. You can use your phone as usual. Option 2. Take a plastic package and your phone and cut 2 rectangles out. Put the first layer on the second one. We need to connect both layers together. Use an iron for it. Connect only 3 sides. You can fold the excess part inside without using a tape. If you want, you can use color packages. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!